Hey everyone, I'll be brief on this video. I just wanted to take some time to go over week 6 learning resources and assignments. This week you will have two discussions, the family therapy theory grid and the integrative paper and genogram. I will be posting a separate video related to the paper. So for this video, I'm just focusing on the discussions. So for week 6, you'll be focused on both narrative therapy and solution-focused therapy. You will see that you have two chapters from the Nichols book, the one on narrative therapy and also the chapter 11 on solution-focused therapy. In addition, please choose one article from this grouping of articles on narrative therapy and one article from this grouping of articles on solution-focused brief therapy. And then lastly, you'll have two videos, which I hope that the videos provide you with a good idea of how the interventions are carried out. One of the videos is on narrative therapy and one is on solution-focused therapy. So your first discussion of the week will be on narrative therapy. It's focused primarily on the video which you watched of a session based on narrative therapy being carried out. Please then respond to all of the following questions. The post will involve you thinking of a past or present client in which reauthoring might have been helpful. Reauthoring refers to the gaining of new insights into a story that your client might tell, which will hopefully allow for the client to gain a new version of the story, which is hopefully healthier and a more productive view. So for this part of the discussion, if you do not have any past or current clinical experience, please feel free to use a hypothetical scenario. I know some of you don't have a ton of clinical experience, so that would be fine for this post. And if you don't want to do a hypothetical situation, you can use your own family or the family from a TV show or movie. And then you are not required to have a response post for this discussion. For the second discussion this week, you will be responding based off of the solution-focused video. You will be required to respond to all of these questions. First, you'll be identifying questions the therapist asked that help guide towards the solution. I also hope within this video you get a good idea of the use of the miracle question. I know I often use this within practice with families, children, and adults, and find it to be a great starting point towards recognizing goals or steps towards change. So as in the previous discussion, you are not required to have a response post for this forum either. Lastly, you will have your final section of the family therapy theory grid to complete. It will be on narrative therapy. By now, you are all used to the prompts involved for completion of this. You can feel free to use content from both the readings and the video. Please do not forget to provide in-text citations and references. So that's all I have for week 6. Please reach out with any additional questions or concerns, and don't forget to watch my video on the paper, which is due this week as well.